We are the pioneers of using 3D printing technology in orthopedic oncology and one of the first institutions across the globe to perform and present large number of orthopedic oncology and bone cancer, bone tumor cases using 3D printing technology. The 3D printing technology has emerged, evolved a lot and has proven its capability in various fields of application such as prototyping, manufacturing, aeronautical engineering, automobiles, architecture, medical field and much more, many more. Here at the Yellow Ribbon, patients from around the world having soft tissues and bone sarcomas and tumors come to us to avail the best possible treatment which is warranted across the globe. In past 15 years, Dr. Pramod has performed over 200 highly complex bone tumor cases which involved rigorous 3D planning and printing. So how do we utilize 3D printing technology for our patients' treatment process? We make patient-specific anatomic models which help us understand the extent and severity of the disease better and also help the surgeons to plan their surgeries beforehand in an efficient manner. We also design and develop patient-specific tools, instruments and implants for highly complex cases where over-the-counter implants and tools cannot suffice our surgical requirements. All this research, development and prototyping work is carried out here in our own facility at Jayanagar, Bangalore, using our own in-house 3D printer. All in all, we work together towards our common vision of becoming the world leader in managing rare bone and soft tissue tumors and provide the best possible outcome for every individual of the society.